Here's my version of the tomato feta pasta we keep seeing all over social media. In my baking dish, I have tomatoes, shallots, garlic, goat cheese, olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. We're going to go ahead and bake this. Y'all, it is such a good dip. Place your baking dish in a 425-degree oven. Yes, we're roasting this a little higher temp than most recipes, but it's so good, y'all. Once the tomatoes are blistered and brown on top, go ahead and give everything a really good stir. Then we're going to add in some freshly torn basil and mix it all in together. You want to bust the tomatoes so their juices come out and it creates a super creamy dip. Place your dip in a serving dish, top with balsamic glaze and a sprinkle of fresh basil. Serve with crispy toasted crostini and enjoy, y'all. It's so good.